Introduction to official statistics. Official statistics are statistics published by government agencies or other public bodies, such as international organizations. They provide quantitative or qualitative information on all major areas of citizens' lives, such as economic and social development, living conditions, health, education, and the environment. Fundamental principles of official statistics as adopted by the Statistical Commission in 1994 and reaffirmed in 2013 and endorsed by the Economic and Social Council in its resolution of 24 July 2013. Resolution adopted by the General Assembly on 29 January 2014. Professional independence, impartiality and relevance. Statistics for transparency, accountability, results and transformation. Start. To serve the information system of democracies, the government, the economy, the public, about economic, demographic, social and environmental situation. Honor citizens to public information. Professional independence, impartiality means that statistics must be developed, compiled and disseminated in a neutral manner, determined by statistical considerations when deciding on choices of data and methods, and in addition, all users must be given equal treatment and equal access to statistical information. Professional independence and impartiality have to be followed throughout the whole production process covering development, compilation and dissemination of official statistics. Professional standards, scientific principles, and professional ethics. Public trust in statistics relies heavily on the strict adherence by statistical agencies to scientific principles. The national statistical offices must guarantee that official statistics are based on scientific principles and, therefore, that inference is useful, objective, and of high quality. Facilitate a correct interpretation of the data. To guarantee user access to necessary information to understand the characteristics and quality of official statistics. The statistical agencies are to present information according to scientific standards on the sources, methods, and procedures of the statistics. Comment on erroneous interpretation and misuse of statistics. Statistics can be used and interpreted in many different ways. Statistics are sometimes misused in advertising and politics. It is important to maintain trust in and the credibility of official statistics. Hence, statistical agencies should draw attention to obvious public incorrect user interpretation. To choose the source with regard to quality, timeliness, costs and the burden on respondents. To produce statistics is a costly and labor-intensive task for statistical offices as well as for respondents. Therefore, statisticians have to apply methods in a least intrusive way and have to choose sources that are most cost-efficient without losing sight of quality requirements. That is why the use of existing administrative records is often recommended. By choosing among the different sources of official statistics, some other aspects should also be considered, such as quality, timeliness and response burden. Confidentiality and used exclusively for statistical purposes. To maintain the trust of respondents, it is the utmost concern of official statistics to secure the privacy of data providers, like households or enterprises, by assuring that no data is published that might be related to an identifiable person or business. The laws, regulations, and measures under which the statistical systems operate are to be made public. Legislation should clearly set out the authority and powers of the National Statistical Office and establish its independence. Openness in all aspects of the production of official statistics is important for maintaining the trust of the providers of data and the credibility of the statistics produced. Openness is facilitated by the public availability of laws, regulations, and measures under which a national statistical system operates. Coordination among statistical agencies. National statistical offices vary by means of the context, complexity, and reach of the system. All national statistical offices must adopt methods of ensuring that national statistical activities are well coordinated. Centralized national statistical offices, such as Statistics Canada, to less centralized, decentralized national statistical offices, such as the United States. International concepts, classifications, and methods promotes the consistency and efficiency of statistical systems at all official levels. Comparability is an important dimension of quality. If data are not comparable, they lose a lot of their utility. The use of common standards improves efficiency, both within individual agencies and within the official statistics industry as a whole. Bilateral and multilateral cooperation. To know the lessons learned and share the best practices of the statistical institutes with the purpose of implementing the best models, methods available according to international standards. Evidence-based policy. Evidence-based policy should be based on research-based evidence. Widely accepted definition of research as any systematic effort to increase the stock of knowledge, OECD, 1981. Included all kinds of evidence as long as they have been collected through a systematic process. This may include any systematic process of critical investigation and evaluation, theory building, data collection, analysis and codification, related to development policy and practice. It also includes action research, i.e. self-reflection by practitioners orientated towards the enhancement of direct practice. Challenges for the official statistical system. Globalization, civil society pressure for accountability and transparency, pressure to adopt evidence-based decision-making, data demand, response burden, creating conducive environment for data collection, data quality, credibility, implementing statistical service full-fledged, using technology, implementation of economic planning group in the statistical service, implementation of NSDS. Opportunities, demand for quality and disaggregated data, ever-increasing human resource, different statistical service in the government, the concept of evidence-based planning and monitoring, advancement of technology, the thought of development administration, evidence-based policy programs.